Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this Valentine's Day wreath out of stuff you can get at the dollar store. First, you're going to need this heart-shaped frame. You're also going to need 4 sets of red roses, 4 sets of white, and these glittery red hearts. Pop all the roses off the stem. Do the same with the white. You also need to pop the hearts off the stem. You're also going to need some burlap ribbon. Hot glue one end of the burlap ribbon to the metal frame. Make sure it's attached securely. Then start wrapping the burlap ribbon around the metal frame. Make sure that the burlap ribbon is tight around the metal frame. When you get to the top, cut it and hot glue the ends. You want to repeat this process on the other side. Once you're done wrapping the burlap around the metal frame, you can start adding the roses. You're going to take your first rose and hot glue it to the very top of the heart. You're then going to take a white rose and hot glue it right underneath the red one. Then take one red rose and hot glue it next to the first red rose. You're going to continue this process all the way down. I'm also going to take some of the leaves that came on the roses and hot glue them in between. Now that all the roses are glued on, you can start adding the glittery hearts. Try to evenly space them out. And there you go, you have a cute little Valentine's Day wreath. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.